Welcome to the Global AI Learning and Leadership Hub.
Good morning, Katie. Let me explain the conditions for the roleplay. First, the roleplay script involves utilizing AI to analyze overseas operations. Second, the setting is a business strategy meeting between James and Katie, with a focus on leveraging ChatGPT to analyze and improve the performance of overseas manufacturing subsidiaries.
Hi, Katie. Thanks for joining the meeting today. I want to explore how we can use AI tools like ChatGPT to better manage our overseas subsidiaries.
My pleasure, James. AI can be a powerful tool for analyzing production performance and identifying improvement opportunities. What's the key focus for your overseas operations?
We need to evaluate the pros and cons of our subsidiaries' production status, identify problems, and propose solutions. Finally, we'd like to incorporate those solutions into a comprehensive business plan.
That's a great approach. For step 1, ChatGPT can analyze production data, including efficiency metrics, cost structures, and delivery timelines. It can also highlight specific challenges faced by each subsidiary.
Interesting. How does it identify pros and cons?
AI can identify strengths, like high production capacity or low labor costs, and weaknesses, such as delayed shipments or quality issues. It can also compare these metrics against benchmarks to provide actionable insights.
I see. Once the issues are identified, how can AI help us with solutions?
ChatGPT can propose tailored solutions, such as streamlining logistics, automating repetitive tasks, or reallocating resources. It can even simulate the outcomes of different strategies to determine which one works best.
That's impressive. How do we integrate these insights into a business plan?
You can use ChatGPT to draft a detailed business plan, including the identified issues, recommended solutions, expected outcomes, and implementation timelines. It ensures the document is professional, data-driven, and easy to understand.
That's exactly what we need. Can we also ensure that the proposed solutions align with our company's long-term goals?
AI can take your strategic goals into account while drafting solutions and ensure the plan supports sustainable growth.
Perfect. Let's get started on this project. I'll share the production data with you, and we can analyze it step by step.
Sounds good, James. Let me know if you need any further guidance. Together, we can make this process seamless and efficient.
Want to learn more? Stay tuned for more AI-powered business insights and leadership lessons.